Welcome to Tango Tips with Mika. Today I've chosen a kind of crazy topic because I want to have some fun and I thought, so do you. Well, I'm talking about an element of movements that you might know from performances, shows. It's definitely not to be used at a milonga, but still it's a lot of fun. I'm talking about el helicóptero. Even though it's a show element, when we analyze it a little closer, we can see that it consists of the same structures, the same elements that we would use when dancing on the floor. So we are using pivots, torsions and boleos. Let's have a look.
Ladies, I'm so excited. I'm sure a lot of you have been dreaming about performing, right? So Christian and me, we came up with the following idea. In June, we are going to have a choreography trip for ladies accompanied by professional Argentinian dancers. Wow! So in 10 days, we will be working on really hard with our professional dancers on a choreography that we are going to present at the end of these 10 days at a real milonga. And not only this, but you'll take with you pictures of a professional tango photo shoot and a video recording of this magical experience. Sounds great, doesn't it? If you want to know more about it, just send me a message and I'll tell you all the details you'd like to know. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye!
1. The helicopter consists only of a series of boleos. So I want you to analyze together with me the differences and the things we have in common from the boleos on the ground and boleos in the air. When we do a boleo on the ground, we have a supporting leg and a free leg. The free leg will do the boleos, and it can be a backwards boleo or a forward boleo, right? In the air, we don't have any supporting leg. This means that both legs can do a boleo. So the helicopter consists of 4 boleo, always changing the legs. We have a forward boleo, a backwards boleo, another backwards boleo and another forward boleo. In the helicopter we have the following structure. Forward boleo with the left, backwards with the right, backwards with the left and forward with the right. Forward, back, back, forward. 2. The second rule for the boleos is that you have to put one knee behind the other. You should know this if you have watched my tango tip about boleos. Now, let's have a look. One knee behind the other, right? This remains the same in the air. If not, our helicopter, this effect would not happen, but it would be something slow and big. Okay? Three. The third rule for doing a boleo is to push your supporting leg into the ground. Now we have 2 supporting legs in the helicopter. The one that does the first boleo and is the moment of the takeoff, and the one that receives our weight when we come down. If I don't push the ground in the first boleo, I don't have any impulse, okay? First. And if I don't push the ground in the second, which would be the left leg, yes, which receives my weight, horrible, right? And it hurts. So you have to push the ground to receive your weight. 4, the torsion of the upper body. When we do a bolleo, we have to oppose the free leg to the upper body. If we don't do this, have a look. I oppose the free leg to the upper body. If I don't do this, the bolleo doesn't work. In the air, we have 2 supporting legs, right? The first one, the right, for the takeoff, and the left when we arrive. So in these 2 moments, we have to exaggerate the torsion to generate the effect of the helicopter. So, to illustrate the dynamics, we create the torsion, right? And release so that we have the effect of the helicopter, okay? Let's have a look. The torsion in the first bolleo is very strong. We generate the tension we need. Afterwards, our upper body stays the same, and here to receive, we turn again, yes? If not, we will fall. 5. And last but not least, I want to tell you a secret. If you use your feet instead of your legs, just switch the attention to your feet and you will liberate the whole thing. Okay? So if we use our legs, it looks like this. Heavy and slow. If we use our feet, we will liberate the muscular tension and make it beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed this tango tip. If you want to receive a free lesson and the next tango tip as soon as it gets out, subscribe to our website. And of course you can find us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. And please help us by sharing, liking, commenting. Okay? Thank you very much and see you next time.